One of the finest representatives of the luxury vehicle breed, the 2025 Mercedes Benz E Class is an exquisite blend of sophistication, comfort, and technology. With an increase in agility and maneuverability, it is essentially the midsize version of the elegant and luxurious S Class. This is saying a lot. The interior of the E Class is more plush and lavish than that of the BMW 5 Series and the Audi A6, and it is equipped with a sophisticated entertainment system that is both aesthetically pleasing and technologically advanced. Most high-end customers don't care that it isn't as agile or sporty as BMWs or Audis. The new plug-in hybrid Mercedes-AMG E53 ought to more than satisfy the rare driver who desires greater performance, boasting 604 horsepower. Separately, we examine that model. The year 2025, what's new? A new entry-level model, the E350 four-cylinder with rear-wheel drive, joins the E Class lineup this year. Even though it is already standard on the E450, Mercedes offers 4MATIC all-wheel drive as an optional extra. All models come standard with a novel center-mounted airbag that, in the case of a collision, deploys between the front seat passengers. A faux-leather steering wheel and Patagonia Red as an exterior color choice are both new additions. The base price of a 2025 Mercedes-Benz E Class can range from $63,500 to $76,290. The exact amount can vary according on the trim level and the options chosen. The E350 is powered by a 255 horsepower hybrid system consisting of a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine and an electric motor producing 23 horsepower each. All-wheel drive is available as an option on this model, but standard on every other E Class. A total of 375 horsepower are delivered by the E450's turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine through a comparable hybrid arrangement. It is believed that hybrid systems can smooth out the auto start/stop system's operation and decrease turbo lag. Our testing of the new E Class revealed that both engines silently and smoothly transmit their power. While the E350's four-cylinder engine is competent, the E450's inline-six is considerably more powerful and produces a more pleasant noise.